Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to creating another service for our application, and this service is going to be our cloud storage service. And what this service will allow us to do is that it's going to provide us utility functions which we can use to actually save stuff to our Firestore cloud storage. So with that said, let's get into it and let's see how to do it. So inside of our services folder, I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to call this our cloud_storage_service and then service, so don't want to misspell it, and Dart. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import some packages. So the packages that we need are firstly going to be the Dart.io package. Apart from this, we'll also require 3 different packages. The first is going to be the Cloud Firestore package. Apart from that, we'll also require the Firebase storage package. And then finally, we'll require one more, which is going to be our actual file picker. So I'm going to do import and then file picker. And that's pretty much all the imports we need. With this, I'm going to create a constant string. And I'm going to call it our user collection. And I'm going to set that equal to users. This is just a constant string that I need to define, and we'll use this later on inside of our class, but I just wanted to define it here. And then I'm going to create my class. So I'm going to call it Cloud Storage Service. And then just add the curly brackets. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to define the constructor for the class. So Cloud Storage Service, and add the curly brackets. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just add one final thing to our class for now, and we'll add the methods later when we actually require them. And this is going to be a final reference to our Firebase storage. So Firebase storage, I'll call it _storage, and I'll set this equal to our Firebase storage.instance. And that's pretty much all we're going to be doing for our cloud storage service. So I'm going to do command save. And I'm going to go back to our splash page again. I'm going to go down, I'm going to import my service like we did for the other ones as well. So services slash cloud _storage _service .dart. And then just come down. I'm going to just copy this line because it's the same, paste it in again. And this time, instead of registering a singleton for immediate service, I'm just going to register a singleton for a cloud storage service, and then just change it here as well. Do command save, restart the application to make sure everything works. And that's pretty much all we had to do. So now with this done, we are on our way to just define the final service that we need for our application in the next video. And with that, we'll be done with the services part of things. So with that, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video where we'll create our final service called the database service. So thank you for watching.